Supersense AI for blind. This video is about this Android application. This application is powered by Mediate Labs. It has 4.2 ratings with over 900 reviews, and it has over 50,000 plus downloads. If we see the interface of this application and screenshots, this is how it's look. Let's study some about this application. Helps blind and visually impaired to read, find objects, and explore places. Supersense is the smartest assistive app that helps blind and visually impaired users to read, find objects, and explore places independently. It provides a setup of digital eyes to make the physical world more accessible for the blind and low vision community. Supersense uses the power of AI to not only describe things but actually solve problems for blind and visually impaired users. Users can independently read text, documents, and handwritings quickly using our unique auto camera guidance system. Locate specific objects such as chair, door, transction, or person around by scanning the environment with the camera. Explore new and unfamiliar environments and hear about the objects that are around. Read texts or photos, PDFs from apps. Simply share the files to Supersense and it will read it for you in seconds. Every single feature works out with an internet connection so that they can be used in any situation. The app has full talkback accessibility support and is available in multiple languages. Supersense is developed by Mediate, an MIT spin-off AI startup based in Boston. Mediate developers innovative computer vision system with the support of National Science Foundation and US Department of Veterans Affairs. This app is just the first step in our mission to develop groundbreaking AI solutions for people with visual disabilities. We have developed the app with the principles of human-centered design with the assistance of blind and visually impaired users. We also partnered with many organizations that help the blind and low vision community. What's new in this application? Hello friends, the summer sale is here. 50% off of lifetime and 40% off of yearly subscription. More exciting news and features are on the way. As always, we appreciate any feedback to provide our users with the best solutions. Now let's study the reviews of users of this application. Catherine Williams says, I was writing a more thorough and detailed review, but apparently the Play Store is now limited reviews to 500 characters, so I will be brief. Object recognition needs a lot of work because my department door is painted to same color as my walls. It doesn't see it. It though a group of descriptions bottles were beer and very dark screen. It calls a computer monitor, including my microwave door, but the text reader seems to work on really tiny print, which is very useful for my needs. Another Google user says, Supersense is a really nice app that helps locate objects in my environment. It has helped me find my transcan as well as a door in basement in pitch black conditions. I think the AI does a good job to find and identify objects, as I was able to use the application in an environment where I didn't have cell or internet service. I look forward to the progress and improvement of this application. Mark Lester Mara Max says it is not just there yet. The technology behind in this app is quite not ready to give the blind community it's true. Supersense, the app at the time of this writing article, is barely usable. I have to update this review because of the past 4 months ago or so. Each and every time that I try to open the app, it would only give me no sense except for the some error messages, application freezes, and unwanted reports. And for those reasons, I have to uninstall it. Another Google user says this is a great, so I am so happy I found it. I would describe it uh, as a must-have for everyone with a visual impairment who struggles with things like reading. The latest update where you can now ask it to read the text for an image on your phone is brilliant. But the cherry on the top of the cake would be if you could share images directly from social media posts instead of having them to save them to your device first.